Hi, thank you for renting from Family RV. My name is Alan Caesar and I'm the owner. We have presented this video to help you understand the operation of both the Class C and Class A motorhomes. Take your time, enjoy. If there is any problems or any concerns, give our 1-800 phone number a call. That's 1-800-201-1991, and we'll be able to help you immediately. Enjoy your trip and have fun.
In this video, we'll be showing you the exterior operations of the trailer, then moving on to the interior operations, and finaling with the hitch hookup to your vehicle.
We're going to start with the entry door. Some of the trailers have 1 or 2 doors. This unit has 2. You have your door lock located right here. You have your deadbolt lock located right here, and your handle lock located right here. You want to make sure when the unit is in motion that you have the doors locked.
When you're ready to go inside the trailer, you want to open your entry step. This one has a double step. To open the entry step, pull the step out, and then flip the first step over. To close the step, make sure you fold the first step over, then retract the step.
You have an exterior compartment located right here. You do have a lock located right here. You want to make sure that the lock is locked when the unit is in motion. There is storage compartments located around the outside of the unit.
Your trailer has radial tires and electric brakes. It's a good idea to periodically check lug nut, torque, and tire pressure on your tires. Look at your specific tire for exact tire pressure ratings. Your trailer comes equipped with an outside outlet if you wanted to plug in outside radio. It is a 15 amp circuit. Resets are inside for that. You do need to plug into a campground supply or have a generator supply to the trailer for these 110 outlets to operate. Your trailer may also be equipped with stabilizer jacks. To use the stabilizer jacks, use the crank handle found in your exterior compartments. Insert the crank handle, rotate it clockwise until the jack contacts the ground. Add light pressure to the crank handle. That'll eliminate a lot of the shake you may get when walking inside the trailer. To connect your trailer to city water connection, get your hose from your outside storage compartment, attach the pressure regulator to the campground hookup, then attach the male side to the trailer city water inlet connection found on the side of the trailer here. To connect your trailer to outside electricity or campground hookup, open your storage compartment for your power cord, pull the power cord out, plug it into the campground hookup. Normal campground hookup will have a 30 amp connection. If you don't have a 30 amp connection at the campground, you can use the 15 amp adapter. There's 20 feet of power cord here, should reach the outlet easily. Some trailers are equipped with exterior park cable inlet. If the campground has park cable, you need to bring your own cable wire, and you can tie in right here. Your trailer also has a freshwater tank in case you're going to a campground where there is no water supply. To refill your freshwater tank, remove the cap, insert the hose, and fill the water tank. Be sure not to overfill the water tank. This is your service access for your water heater, the exhaust from the interior furnace. This does get hot when in use, so don't leave any lawn chairs close to this. Your outside shower, and your service access for your refrigerator. Periodically during your trip, you will have to drain the holding tanks on the trailer. Normally, your dump hose is located in the rear bumper. The trailer has 2 holding tanks, one for toilet water, one for sink and shower water. To drain the tanks, attach the hose to the outlet here. Open your drain valve here. To drain your sink and shower water out of the same outlet, open your sink and shower drain water out valve right here. Once finished, be sure you close the valves, remove the hose, and stow it back in the rear bumper. Your trailer comes with 2 propane tanks. Be sure your supply switch is pointed towards the tank you want to use. If your tank should run out, flip the supply switch to your other tank and make sure the valve's open.
We will now show you the operations for awning use on the Class C motorhome. These instructions will apply to both trailers, Class A motorhomes, and Class C motorhomes.
To open your awning, use the awning wand supplied with the RV in the exterior compartments or inside the coach. Flip the control switch at the top of the awning to the roll down position. Next, unlock the awning arm and loosen the black knob at the back of the arm. Unlock both arms and loosen the knob on both arms. Next, using the awning wand, hook the strap located at the top of the awning and pull down on the strap. Next, walk over and slide the inner awning arm all the way up until it locks into position. Extend the inner awning arm and tighten the black knob. Do this on both sides. Next, you'll want to elevate the awning arm by grabbing the handle with one hand and holding the arm with another, and slide the awning handle up. Release the handle, it'll lock into position. You'll do this on both sides. It's a good idea not to leave this awning up if it's very windy out or in stormy conditions. If it happens to be raining, allow some pitch on the awning so the rain can run off. To lower the awning, reverse the opening process. Lower both arms down by grabbing the handle and the arm, retracting it all the way down. Loosen the black knob. Lower the inner arm by releasing the clip below the arm. Do this on both sides. Next, make sure you have your awning wand. The awning is spring-loaded. Flip the control switch to roll up. Hold on to the strap. Slowly let the awning roll up. Use the awning wand to completely roll the awning up. Once the awning is completely rolled up, be sure to lock the awning arms and tighten the black knob behind the arm.
Your heater and air conditioning control is located right here. What you're going to do for the air conditioning is flip the switch on to cool. You're going to either click it on to high or low and click it to the temperature that you want it at. You do need to be plugged into 110 at your campsite in order to use the air conditioning and also the fan, which is located right here. For the heater or the furnace, you need to click it down into furnace position, click it on to high or low, and click it to the temperature that you want it at. This will be running off of your battery. You do need to have battery power in order to use the furnace. When you're not using it, turn it into off position. Your hot water heater button is located right here. What you're going to do is you're going to push it down into the on position. When the light comes on and goes out, it means your pilot has lit and your water is going to start heating. Normally it takes about 15 minutes to heat up 5 gallons of water, and you do have a 6-gallon hot water tank. When you're not using it, make sure that you put the button into off position, otherwise you will drain your battery. Your oven and stove is located right here. What you're going to do for the range is you're going to click it on light it with a match, aim and flame or lighter, and click it to the temperature that you want it at. When you're done, make sure you click it into the off position, otherwise what will happen is LP gas, which is propane, is going to be spilling out, and you don't want that smell inside the unit. For the oven, what you're going to do is you're going to click it on pilot light it back on the metal rod, and click it to the temperature that you want it at. Same thing, when you're done, close the lid and also turn it off. You have a water pump button that is located right here. You're going to turn the water pump button on in order to use any water, if it's taking a shower, washing your hands, or flushing the toilet. When you're not using it, turn it off or it will drain your battery. You do have 4 buttons right here on your monitor panel. The first one is for your gray tank, which now is telling us that it's empty. When it's all the way up into the full position, it's going to tell you that you need to dump your gray water, which is your dirty shower water. You have the black located right here. When it gets up into the full position, you need to dump your toilet tank. You have fresh water, which is right here, which is telling us it's 1/3 full. Normally it will be in the full position. And your battery, which is telling us that it's completely charged. You have a refrigerator and freezer located right here. Your refrigerator is right here and your freezer is right here. You want to make sure that the doors are completely shut when the unit is in motion, otherwise your food can come out on the floor. Now you have a temperature set button, a mode button, and an on and off switch. Temperature set, if you hold it down, you'll see it's on 5 right now. Normally we recommend leaving it around 4 or 5. 9 is the coldest, 1 is the warmest. If it seems like your food is too cold, then just turn it down using the button. Just push it and the numbers will move for you. You have LP gas, which is propane, which is on right now. You have AC and auto. Normally what you'll do is if you're in an area where you've got 110 power hookups, you can change it over to AC or auto, and then it'll run off your power at the site. Otherwise, you can just leave it on LP gas your whole trip. Using the mode button, you can change it into AC or auto or propane. You also have your on and off switch, which is located right here if you want to turn the refrigerator off if you're not going to be using it. You just hold the button down until it turns on or off.
To convert your dinette table into a bed, remove the seat cushions. Lift the table up, retract the leg. Lift the table up, release it from the clips on the wall, and lower it down to the seat. Then lay all your cushions down to make the cushion for the bed. Your fire extinguisher is located inside the trailer next to the entrance door. When using the shower, you can save water while soaping up by switching the control knob to pause. If you don't have any water flow in the shower, be sure you check your control switch. It hasn't been forgotten and left in the pause position. Back your truck up. Align the ball underneath the tongue of the trailer. Be sure the hitch lock is open. That's the lock position. That's open. Be sure the hitch lock is open. Lower the trailer down over the ball of the trailer, of the truck. Be sure to retract your jack all the way up. Then lock the ball into place and put your safety pin in. Next, secure the Chase safety chains to your truck. And attach your breakaway cable. Now we're ready to put the sway control bars. Insert the bars into the bottom of the hitch. Once the weight distribution bar is inserted into the hitch, attach the chain to the trailer clamp using the bar for leverage. Secure the clamp to the trailer and insert the safety pin on the trailer clamp. To attach the sway control to your hitch and trailer, loosen up the adjustment rod, slip the sway control over the small ball of the hitch and the trailer, and lock it in with a safety clip. Once that's done, tighten the adjustment rod until it's fully bottomed out. Be sure to plug the trailer cord into your truck plug. Make sure the bump on the plug is pointing up, and firmly plug the trailer cord into your truck. The idea of the weight distribution hitch The torsion bars are designed to take weight off the back of the vehicle. They can be adjusted by what chain link you attach it to the trailer frame. Sway control is designed to eliminate sway on the freeway at higher speeds. Before departing, make sure your hitch ball and the tongue lock is secured. Make sure your safety chains are attached, your breakaway cable is attached, and your trailer cord is plugged in properly. Always check your trailer lights, brake control, all electrical to make sure you have good continuity.
Hi, I'm Jill Anderson. I'm the General Manager here at Family RV. You've just watched this video and we hope it'll be helpful while you're on the road. If you do have questions, you can consult the Rental Assistance Guide. Most of everything you've seen on the video is written down in this guide. If you do need further assistance, you can dial our 1-800 number, 201-1991. That's 1-800-201-1991. We want you to have a safe trip on the road, so there are a few things we'd like to go over again. Safety first. Drive cautiously and defensively. The braking distance is shorter and the turning radius is wider than that of your automobiles. Check and adjust all mirrors. The visibility is more limited in a motorhome or when towing a trailer than when driving an automobile. Second tip, use safety belts and child seats at all times while the vehicle is moving. The third tip, plan ahead before entering gas stations, campgrounds, and shopping centers. There are tight spaces and most accidents occur while backing up when visibility is limited. Fourth tip, watch all clearance signs. The height of the motorhome can be as great as 12 feet, which is twice as high as a normal pickup truck. And lastly, be prepared. You're renting a house on wheels. Bring tools that you would normally carry in your own automobile. Tape, screwdrivers, miscellaneous supplies, fuses, screws, other items of that nature. Thanks again for choosing Family RV, and remember, your adventure begins here.